there where the walk. Squadron of Duxley, Cambridgeshire. And
that's a good shot.
In 11 days, they shot down 299 Luftwaffe aircraft. It's actually a Mark 7 Hurricane. It's based on the French Mark 2. And this aircraft served from 1942 to 1944 with the Royal Canadian Air Force before being struck off the register. We didn't see much from it again until the mid-1980s. It was acquired then, flew in Canada, was taken over to the UK, back to the US, back again to Canada, and before being shipped over here to Australia. Were actually launched by catapult off merchant ships to protect against A great thanks for bringing the aircraft down from Scone. Again, if you're only here today, this will be your last opportunity to get a shot of that beautifully restored aircraft. All the fabric and the wood on the aircraft was redone by Luskin Tyre Aircraft Maintenance.